What's up, comic creators? So we're going to show you real quick how to add overlays, both pictures and videos, over your video footage within the iMovie app for both iPad and iPhone. So basically this white cursor that you see on your screen, wherever that is placed is where the picture or the overlay will be added in. So make sure that's in the place you want it. Then you're going to click the plus button. And once you click the plus button, a menu will pop up, and you want to click on whatever it is you're adding in, whether it's video, photos, or you can just go to your moments, which is your entire library within your device. So then you just click on your footage, and then you'll see these little 3 button options that pop up right after you click on it. Click that, and then you click picture in picture, which will add whatever it is you're doing, your video or your picture, into your project where your cursor was over the top of the original video footage that was there, which now at this point you can edit it. So if you click it, all your menu options will pop up. If you click the little arrows and to the right on over the actual project, and then you click your finger on it and move it around, you can move it around your screen like so. You can click on the 2 little boxes here at the bottom, and you can change it from a picture-in-picture to a cutaway. You can do all sorts of stuff with it, as well as do all the editing, like cutting it and splitting it and slowing it down and all that kind of stuff. You can also enhance the size of it as well. You can pinch to zoom, and you can actually pinch in that little box, and as you move your fingers out, it will actually zoom in there. Now this is important. If you want to actually make the whole image bigger itself, meaning it completely covers more of the actual video footage, you have to click on the arrows next to it. See, if you click on pinch to zoom, it doesn't work. So click on the arrows and then move your fingers apart, and that'll actually make the image itself larger and make it more covering to your entire footage. And that also helps too if you need to make it smaller or whatever it is you're trying to achieve with this overlay. But that's a little trick right there that I've seen a lot of people get frustrated with if they don't understand how that works. But alright guys, that is the basics of using overlays on your iOS app for iMovie. Let me know if you have any questions below. Comment, like, subscribe. That really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. And let me know if there are any other topics within the iMovie iOS app that you would like help with, and I will catch you guys soon.